MetaTrader 5 has made it so easy for us to calculate the number of pips for either their stop loss or their take profit at any given point in time. So this has been the struggle for many newbie traders, not knowing how to calculate the number of pips they will use for their stop loss or for their take profit. But that should be a thing of the past now with the new features we have in MetaTrader 5. All you need is this crosshair here. Tap on the crosshair, come to the point that you want to measure the number of pips. So let's say that you want to sell this currency pair, for instance, at this current market price, and you want to put your stop loss above this high and put your take profits at this point, for instance. So what you do is you take this crosshair, place it right at that current market price. That's the point I want to take my order, for instance. Having placed this here, I just need to tap the point where I want the stop loss to be. So let's say I want the stop loss to be just a little above this previous high. So what I do is that I just tap there. So you can see that from here to that level is about 515 points, which is 51.5 pips. That would take about 6 bars, so it will take about 1 day for that to happen. If this is not the exact level you want it to be, you can drag it down to the level you're looking for. So if you drag it down to that point, you can see now that we now have it as 46.9 pips. So for the take profits, just drag it down to the point you want to take your profits. So let's say you want to take your profits right at this previous low. So the distance from the current market price to that low is about 722 points, which is about 72.2 pips. Now, another example, let's say you want to know the number of pips from this point to this low. Just put your cursor right at the first level and tap the second level, and that will give you the number of pips. In this case, is about 1,772 points, which is 177.2 pips. So that is how easy MetaTrader 5 has made it for us to just calculate our pips without needing to punch our calculators. So if this has added value to you, kindly hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.